Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make gravy sauce for chicken. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1/4 cup of flavorful chicken drippings from your roasted chicken, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 2 cups of rich chicken broth. Don't forget salt and pepper to taste, as these simple components form the foundation of a truly delicious gravy. Now let's create the heart of our gravy, the roux. Begin by heating your chicken drippings in a saucepan over medium heat until they shimmer. Then, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, forming a smooth paste. Continue to cook this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly until it achieves a beautiful light golden brown color. This step is crucial for developing a rich, nutty flavor. With our roux ready, it's time to build the flavor. Slowly, and I mean slowly, whisk in your 2 cups of chicken broth, adding just a little at a time. This gradual addition prevents lumps and ensures a silky smooth texture. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, continuing to whisk until it begins to thicken. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it reaches your perfect consistency. Finally, let's perfect our gravy. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's just right. If you prefer an exceptionally smooth gravy, you can strain it through a fine mesh sieve. Your delicious homemade chicken gravy is now ready to be served warm. It pairs wonderfully with roasted chicken, creamy mashed potatoes, or fluffy biscuits, adding a comforting touch to any meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.